Curious ka ba kung ano talaga ang VUL insurance at bakit mas mahal siya? Let's make it clear here. VUL insurance means Variable Universal Life. Ito ang insurance na may investment in one plan. Part ng binabayaran mo goes to life protection and the other part goes to investment funds na pwedeng lumago over time. Kaya hindi siya mas mura than traditional plans. Dahil, una, you're paying for protection and potential growth. Pangalawa, may chance na tumaas ang fund value mo. Pangatlo, long-term wealth building ito habang insured ka. Pang-apat, flexible. Pwedeng dagdagan or bawasan ang payment in some plans. At panglima, design ito para sa mga major goals mo like retirement, education, or long-term savings. In short, VUL equals protection plus growth. Mas mahal ng konti, pero mas malaki ang long-term potential. Perfect for those who want to secure the future and grow their money at the same time. Kung gusto mong malaman kung bagay sa iyo ang VUL at may other options na mas fit sa goals mo, follow me or send me a message. Let's build your wealth wisely. Thank you!